G'day and welcome to Nature Walk. I'm your host Tex Greycloud and this is Broz Park in Helena Valley. Now Helena Valley is about 23.2 kilometres just east of Perth, which is about 30 minutes. And behind me is the Helena River. There's quite a lot of flies around and it's not even summer already. Now I managed to get myself here a stabiliser, which is helping to keep the camera dead straight and steady and makes these videos a bit more professional for me, and it's doing a really good job. Now Helena Valley, I grew up here when I was a kid and I went to the Helena Valley Primary School, which definitely brings back memories for me. So yeah, you can imagine the experience that I'm having right now, especially the scenery. I'll just turn you around again. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that, and I do enjoy being here. So until the next video, see you then.